Welcome to the channel TechUnboxPro. Today, we are taking a detailed look at the OPPO Reno 15 Pro 5G, a smartphone that perfectly balances style, performance, and cutting-edge technology. From the moment you hold it, the phone feels premium with its slim and sleek design, glossy glass back, and carefully curved edges that make it comfortable to use for long hours. The refined camera module adds elegance without compromising on practicality, and the overall build quality gives a flagship-level feel. One of the strongest highlights of the OPPO Reno 15 Pro is its stunning AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This ensures smooth scrolling, crisp visuals, and vibrant colors that make watching videos, playing games, or browsing social media a delightful experience. The deep blacks and high brightness make it easy to view content even under bright sunlight, giving the display a true premium look and feel. Performance is another area where the OPPO Reno 15 Pro excels, thanks to its high-performance 5G chipset paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and fast internal storage. Multitasking, heavy apps, and high-end gaming run smoothly without any noticeable lag, and heat management is optimized to keep the phone cool during extended sessions. The camera setup is impressive and truly stands out, featuring a high-resolution main sensor enhanced with advanced AI capabilities. Photos are sharp, detailed, and well-balanced, whether taken in bright daylight or low-light environments. Night mode enhances clarity in darker settings, while portrait mode delivers natural background blur for professional-looking shots. The front camera is also excellent, capturing crisp selfies with accurate colors, making it ideal for vloggers and content creators. Battery life is equally strong, with the large capacity battery easily lasting a full day of normal to heavy usage, including gaming, streaming videos, and social media browsing. The 80W Super VOOC fast charging allows the phone to charge quickly, giving hours of usage with just a few minutes of charging, which is perfect for users who are always on the move. On the software side, the OPPO Reno 15 Pro runs on the latest Android OS with ColorOS, providing a smooth, clean, and highly customizable experience. Features like smart gestures, privacy controls, and system optimization tools make daily use convenient and efficient, while regular updates keep the phone secure and optimized for long-term performance. In addition to 5G connectivity, the phone offers an in-display fingerprint sensor, advanced face unlock, strong audio output, and a durable build with water and dust resistance, combining to make it a full-featured premium smartphone. In conclusion, the OPPO Reno 15 Pro 5G is a perfect blend of design, performance, camera quality, battery life, and fast charging. Whether you are a gamer, a content creator, or someone who wants a stylish and powerful smartphone for everyday use, the OPPO Reno 15 Pro offers everything you need in one complete package. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more detailed mobile reviews and tech updates, don't forget to subscribe to the channel TechUnboxPro for regular updates and exclusive insights.